Today you're going to learn how to set up a custom conversion on Facebook. This video tutorial is perfect for any business owner or marketer looking to get a more accurate account of where their advertising spend is going. It will also help you set up ad campaigns with a conversion-based goal. Now, just before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe if you're new to the channel.
So here we are in our Business Manager account, and to get started with setting up a custom conversion, we just need to go to the hamburger signal here, which says All Tools in the left-hand corner at the top, and click on it, and we are going to go all the way down until we find Events Manager, and we are going to click on that button. This is now going to take us to the area where we can get started with setting up custom conversions. So we're going to select that button in the left-hand corner here, and that will then take us to this page right here, which will allow us to get started. So we are going to select Create Custom Conversion, and the example that I will be using today will be from my website, stuartmcadam.com. And we are going to name this conversion Visited Get Free Quote Page. And the conversion event is going to be set as a lead. And we are going to then head over to my website here. And as you can see, the conversion goal that I want to set up is I want people to click on the Get a Free Quote page, which will take people through to a contact form just below here that people can fill out and get help with Facebook and Instagram ads. So in order to get that set up, we are going to copy the URL right here. We're going to then go back across here, and we're going to have the rule as the URL contains stuartmcadam.com/contact. We are going to enter a conversion value, and we're going to just say 10, and boom, just like that, you have set up your first custom conversion here on Facebook. Now, if you want to go about setting up more custom conversions, you simply head over to the blue button here, click on it, and this will give you an opportunity to begin setting up new and different custom conversions that you can then name and give values to, and also identify the actions that are needed to have that custom conversion get recorded on Facebook. Now, it wouldn't be much good if we just left things here and didn't show you how to properly set up an ad campaign using conversion-based metrics. So in order to get that done, you just need to head over to the green button in the left-hand corner and click on Create. This will then allow you to choose the objective. So for this one, we are going to choose conversions, as we just set up a custom conversion ourselves. You just give it a simple name for everything and select Continue. And like any other campaign, you just have to choose certain metrics, such as your budget. So for this one, we will just let the $20 example sit in there. The most important thing that we need to be aware of now is just choosing the conversion event. Now, as you know, the one that we just set up was a lead-based campaign, and we are going to then go down to the ad itself and simply go and set up an ad with an image that is the quality that Facebook likes. We are then going to go down to the ad copy straight after that, and we're just going to put in some past ad copy and a past headline as well. And once that is done, we are simply going to pop in the URL so that people know what to go to. And ultimately what we're going to do is, while we're sending people to the home page, if they click on the Get a Free Quote button and go to the contact page, that's going to be measured as a conversion.
So that's it for today's tutorial, everyone. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you in the next video.